Hey guys, my name's Chrissy and welcome to Chrissy's Corner. In today's episode, we will be moving some tomatoes and one pumpkin into some pots and bringing them to my Nanna's house so that way we can plant a little nice garden for her. Alright, we're at the pots and my dad will be helping me move some tomatoes into our pots, but in this big pot we do have some potting mix mixed with chicken and cow manure, so dad start pulling the tomatoes out.
We'll give them a little bit of a water and then we'll load the truck and load everything and then we'll get on our way.
Yeah, what he said. Alright guys, now that everything's packed and loaded in my dad's big work truck, we are going to be heading to my Nanna's house. So now, let's get there.
Let's head off and go planting, shall we?
Yeah, what he said. We made a quick pit stop at Bunnings to pick up some flowers to lighten up the garden and attract bees. Alright guys, we made it to my Nanna's house, so we're going to be offloading the truck and then I'll introduce you to my Nanna. Alright, now that we're in the backyard of my Nanna's house, I'll be making the garden for her and she's very excited to say hello.
Hello!
We have the garden bed all set up, so we're going to be putting some soil on it, so let's get to it. Alright guys, I have my minions here to help me put some soil into the garden bed, / my dad and my uncle. But I'm not doing anything, I'm just looking.
Anything you want?
Oh, it's hot. Ah! I don't think that's enough soil.
Yeah, we'll probably get another one.
Alright, we're going to be getting a third batch of soil. Yeah.
And we'll get planting.
And we'll get planted. Now that we have all the garden soil into the garden bed, we'll be planting our 11-piece cucumber first. So, I'll do the rest. Nanna, you can plant that one. Oh, okay, that was good. Alright, we planted both the Lebanese cucumber. Now that we're up to the tomatoes, and I will be planting 2 and Nanna will be planting 2. So Nanna, you just gotta just hold it like that. Hold it like that. Ready? How are you so quick? tomatoes and we're going to be chucking in some pumpkins. How are you doing? I lost again and I killed it. Dad, I think you did a horrible job at putting these in the pots.
Well, I've just transplanted this morning, sweetie.
I know. You did a horrible job.
That's right, chuck it in and then we'll get the marigold in next.
Okay. Here. How?
Alright.
Okay. On to the marigolds now. We have some marigolds. I'll be giving 3 to Nanna and 3 to me. So pop it out. Alright, take 2 and I'll give you the one. Here.
Yeah, Nanna's a professional, that's for sure.
How are you done?
Why are you planting the marigolds, babe?
So they can attract bees and it's a bug repellent. Nanna, if you want, you can plant that nice rock color. Just leave it hanging. Alright. We are done planting everything that we bought and now we'll have to water them.